Again, a question of simple allegation where a jar full of whiskey, okay, we can think of it as milk, right, contains 40% of alcohol, and a part of this whiskey is replaced by another containing 19% alcohol. Now the percentage of alcohol in the mixture was found to be 26%. What quantity of whiskey is replaced? So again, one quality of whiskey is 40% alcohol, another quality is of 90% alcohol, and we are mixing it and making it of the quality 26% alcohol. We'll apply the allegation rule here. 40 minus 26 is 14, and 19 minus 26 is 7. So the simplified ratio is 1 is to 2. Now we know, okay, in the resulting mixture we have three parts. Out of those three parts, one part is of the original whiskey, right, 40% alcohol, and two parts are of the replaced alcohol. That means 19% is replacing the original portion, right, of the 40% alcohol. So two parts are replaced. We can sense that out of total three parts, so two-third of the whiskey is replaced. So answer is option B, 2 by 3.
Try this question by yourself and see the next video for the solution.